So now we're finished with another one of our little applications. And even though this app may not look like much, you might still want to deploy it to the web. So we're going to cover that in this section. It might seem a repeat of the previous deployment that we made with our Hacker News clone. We'll just need to add within our package.json our start script, which will be node server.js. And again, we'll set node_env to production. We'll add build as next build, and you can add a deploy script, or you can just run now with the public flag. So this will deploy, this series of commands will deploy our Next and Express app. And if you had any difficulties with this code, with this particular project, you can grab the final code attached to this lecture. So we'll end our script, run npm run build, then we'll run our deploy script. So the build and deployment was successful. We'll open a new tab and test this out. So if we just bump up the size of this page, if we try going to the profile as a guest, we're kicked to log in. Let's try logging in. We're taken to profile and we're able to fetch the profile data for the user. If we refresh, it stays there. And in home, if we refresh, the user's name is still there, as well as our navigation. And then if we log out, all that data is gone.